What's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video. Let's get straight into it. The 48 Laws of Power. Law number 38. It says it's about blending in with the crowd, right? So what does it say? So what does the thing say about it? Thinking different and acting like others helps you blend in the crowd, right? We all know this. Uh, it's saying sheep in wolf clothing. Wolf is sheep in what? A wolf in sheep clothing, right? Yeah, yeah. A wolf in sheep clothing. Cause like if you're a wolf and you want to get the sheep, right? You don't just say you don't just come out looking like a wolf. Nah, you good luck with that. You won't waste time. Right? But if you be blend in, like you look like them, you act like them, you act like a sheep. Can get close enough to your enemies, your anything, and you can find out what makes them vulnerable, and then plan around that. And then when it's time to execute you, you do straight. Yeah, but it's just like that. That's why some that's why people are like, oh, he's a wolf in sheep clothing. It's not like a bad thing. It's like he's applying one of the laws. You know what I'm saying? He's applying one of the laws in this. So let's see what the thing says. It says if you act different, you isolate yourself. You'll be different, and people will tend to dislike you and find a way to bring you back down because it looks like you're looking down at them. So what do you mean? For example, let's say people on the ground they understand this. Like when you're with homies that want to party, drink, and smoke weed all day, and then you're like, nah, I ain't on that. I'm not on that type of time. And you're on your grind, you try and grind. They'll say, oh, you think you're better than us? Like because you're different. You're different. But then if you associate yourself with people that grind too, they're like, oh yeah, good stuff, good stuff. You know what I'm saying? They're like, good shit, good shit. You see what I'm saying? And then with people who smoke weed and drink, they'll find ways to like shame you on grind. That's why I say they'll find ways to bring you down because it looks like you're looking down at them. You see what I'm saying? That's why it says, that's why the book says, only act different or tolerable friends. Alright? So, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, you guys understand the laws. 10 more laws of this, and then be good, I believe. Let me check real quick. Yeah, only like 10 more of these videos, then we can move to the reaction videos. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe, and yeah, holla back at your boy.